Let me tell you about the reading session. We have two groups, the big group and the small group. The first group to come is the big group, which is led by me and Kolsa and Nokbonga. They do outdoor games with the small group. And when they come back, the big group go outside, and Kolsa lead the big group outside, and I do reading with the blue group here at the school. And the other teacher, Nokbonga, at that time is preparing for the lunch for the school. At 10:30, they all come back to the blue carpet, all of us and the children. I do more mathematics. That's because after reading, it's mathematics. We do the routines for the mathematics, and after the routines, we separate the groups into 3. I have my own group with the blue carpet, and Kolsa with her group with the red carpet and the tables with small children for Nokbong. And then we do the math session, all of us, with those 3 groups. And at 11 o'clock, they come back for writing time. At writing time, we have to think and talk and write. So we tell children to, first of all, we are going to think either I or Nokbonga or Kolisa is going to lead. And then we just keep quiet and started to think. When I've done thinking, I just put a clean paper there, and I write the dates of today's date, and then I talk what I tell them what I have thought, and then I write it using some pictures, not words, or the beginning of the words for my story. And then I call some of other children to tell me what they have thought, and they will raise their hands, and I listen to them. And I will say to them, they must think different things so that they are not doing the same thing all the time. And then we spread the children according to their tables of writing, and they write what they have taught, and we go through their books and ask them, what are you writing about? And they tell us that, oh, I am writing about something like a cow is eating grass, or I and my mother coming from the forest to fetch some wood, or me and my mother coming from town, or I'm writing that about my home, something of that. They are writing many different things at their own areas. And then at 11:30, they come back at the carpet, and we just do some filler songs at that time so that they can be able to do another session. So after a filler song, which it is time for free choice, and Nokbonga prepared the free choice areas. And after that, we just choose, in other days, a child who has worked hard for the day, and then she is the one who has to choose first for free choice time. And then we just call all the children to go for free choice until 12 o'clock. After 12 o'clock, we just call them one by one to come at the carpet, according to their tables, according to the color of the tables. Like red table come, orange table come, yellow table come, green table come, or blue carpet come. And then they come all up, and we just made another filler song so that they can be able to listen to a teacher. And after that, we read a story which is laughable so that they can laugh, and that is the end of the day. And then after that, we just call them one by one to go and wash their hands, because they usually wash their hands before they eat every time. They wash their hands, and we just point at one child at a time to go out and wash their hands, and then they have a snack outside. All of them, they go one by one until no one is at the carpet.